Hey, Christina?
I'm ready.
Where are we going?
Our first football game ever, actually.
Ever. We are going to our first football game ever in Portugal after being here for 4 years. This is our first one, and you already know where we're going. Sporting.
Go Sporting.
Go Sporting. So, Sporting is the best team in Portugal, regardless of what folks from Benfica say or FC Porto. But this is our first game, and what's so exciting, it's our first game as a family. But my father and stepmother are also here from Japan. So this is going to be an exciting night. This is their first match. And it's a night match. So we don't know how cold it's going to be. We're actually not sure where our seating is. But, you know, we always dress a little light. But my dad and Rumi, where are you going? My dad has a full gloves, all that stuff. So we're going to bring you guys along on this first soccer football match in Portugal. Let's go. Yeah. There we are. Okay, so we're about to head into the stadium right now. We're across the street. You ready, Christina? I'm excited. Daddy, you ready?
Yeah.
Hey, that's right. So we're supposed to be meeting our friend over here, and he has our tickets. So let me see. Oh, I think I see him now. I was not expecting it, but our friend actually got us box seats at this game. This is such an important game for Sporting because if they win this game, they will be number one in the conference. And so there's a lot on the line. The people are so excited. I'm going to get back to the game, but oh my goodness, this is amazing. Hey, Daddy-o. Oh, wow. They're getting hyped right now. Coming a mile away. Oh my God! Did you see that? Oh, you see that? Oh my God! So, what do you think of the game so far?
It's incredible. It's so much fun.
I mean, it's tied right now, 1-1.
Yeah.
Man, this like the energy here is amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah. So the second half has been a completely different story. Sporting is up 3-1. I think we got this in the bag. I'm gonna get back to it.
Carlos Martins, Gil Vicente.
So we won. Sporting won. Hey, hey, hey. Until next time.
We're number one now.
Number. My dad taking some food to go. Yeah, that food's for some memory. Boy, you can't take it. So Sporting won, and we got a chance to watch the whole game from just some amazing scenes. This was our first football game, and the bar has been set so high because we got to watch the game from box seats, and we got to watch a tremendous win. And we just can't wait for the next game. What an exciting night.